Hi, this is John Broder, CEO and founder of MyMotionCalendar. I want to thank you for having an interest in our company, and I want to take you on a quick tour to show you a little bit about who we are, what we do, and how we might be able to work with you, your law firm, or your corporate legal department. Briefly, I'm going to take you through the reservation form so you can see what's involved. Once you have an account with MyMotionCalendar, you come in to the reservation form and make a reservation. You fill out the basic contact information, including who's entering the reservation, who the file paralegal is, and who the file attorney is. After you make one reservation, those individuals' emails will automatically populate in these fields as well. The reason that we do this is that this is part of our routing, and so these people will be notified that a reservation was placed. They'll be notified when the results come in, and they'll be notified if there is a question that we need an answer to. So this really sets up the communication parameters during the process. Next, we need the information about the type of matter and type of hearing that you need covered. We need to know what kind of information, what kind of matter is this? Is it an uncontested hearing? Is it a contested matter? A bankruptcy matter? Eviction? Non-jury trial? As you can see, there's a wide variety of options here. Uncontested hearing is the most common selection. Is it a special set? Yes or no? We'll say no. And then tell us what kind of law this hearing is about. Now, when you fill out your client profile, you're going to already fill that out, and it's already going to be defaulted to this. So you won't have to fill it out after you register. We need to know whose motion is it. Is it the plaintiff, the defendant's, or is it the court's motion? And who are you representing? Are you representing a plaintiff, a defendant, or an HOA? What is the status of the documents? In order to properly prepare and be able to handle your hearing to the best of our ability, we need the documents and information an attorney in your law firm would need in order to handle the matter. Therefore, we'll need the pleadings and the documents and the motions, anything and everything that's relevant, so that we are equally prepared to handle the matter on your behalf. So are those documents already at the courthouse? Will they be mailed to the local attorney? Will they be uploaded now? And I'll show you how to do that. Or are you going to upload it later? Let's just say for now that you're going to upload it now. Now we need to know what kind of hearing it is. And there's a wide array of options in here. It goes on and on and on. And the nice thing is that if you just start typing, it'll actually start filtering down to the different types of matters. Of course, you can also always select other and then tell us here what type of matter it is. Now we need to know the case information, date, time, location. What is the name of the case? Is it Citibank versus Jones? The case number or the index number. If you have an internal case ID that's unique to your law firm, you're going to want to go ahead and put that information there. I'm going to say JLB as in Jonathan L. Broder Law Firm and an imaginary number. And I'm going to say that my hearing is in Ohio. I'm going to select the county. I'll select the city, and I could even go down and select the courthouse. I don't need to do that, but I could. I need to select the date of the hearing, the time. And the time here is you just want to come in here and first tell us what hour is it at. Is it at 9:10 a.m. or p.m.? You can see that the changes happen up here. Let's go back to 9:10 a.m. and we're going to press set, and it will set the time. And what time zone are we? Again, when you register as a client, you'll set this up, and this will automatically be defaulted to Central Standard Time if you were Central Standard Time. I think Ohio is actually Eastern Standard Time. Who is the judge in this matter that will be handling this hearing? In this particular instance, I believe it's Judge Judy. She handles a lot of our matters. We'll say it's in room 4A. And who is the opposing counsel? We'll just say Jim Smith. Now here's where we need the meat and potatoes of the matter. We need to know the title of the motion, the nature of the hearing. What arguments do you want the local attorney to make? What's the desired outcome besides just win? And then tell us any additional information, background information, anything that we need to know. This is your opportunity to really communicate with the local attorney, and so we encourage you to fill this out with as much detail as possible. Once that section's done, you'll continue to scroll down, and if it happens to be a mediation or deposition, we need to have this additional information. Where's the location? What's the name of the corporate rep if there is one? The mediator's contact information, as well as email address. And then, if you want a conference call for any matter that you have with us, we'll be glad to facilitate a conference call free of charge. And you just tell us what date you want us to call, at what time, and we'll call you. Our staff will facilitate it for free and call the attorney to make sure that everybody is on the same page. And so our staff will call you. We'll have the local counsel, the local attorney on the phone as well as our staff, and then tell us who we need to contact and the phone number. If you want to upload additional documents to the order, we highly recommend that you do so. Documents that we need are notices of hearings, copies of dockets, any motions at issue, any proposed orders, and really any and all other supporting documents. What you do is you can either click on that box and a upload dialog box will open and you can select the documents, or you can drag and drop documents into this box and they will upload. And you can upload as many documents as you want and as large as they are. Once you're done with that, go ahead and select the Submit button. This will complete the reservation process, and you'll receive a confirmation email from us that the reservation has been placed. I want to tell you a little bit about what happens once your reservation has been placed. You'll have gotten the notice that the reservation has been placed, and we will also receive that notification. We will then assign it to the local attorney based on that location. And if you have a preferred attorney that we've already worked with you to program to make sure that that person will always get that hearing in that location for you, it's going to automatically go to that person. Otherwise, our staff is going to take care of it and assign it to the local attorney that will attend and handle that matter for you. After the local attorney has reviewed your reservation, reviewed the documents, they will then confirm that they are able to attend the matter. Once they click that confirm button, you'll be notified by email that coverage for your hearing has been confirmed, and you'll know that one of our attorneys will be attending the matter on your behalf.